Yeah, good evening, children. So today we are going to discuss about the assignment key for the lesson Earth, Movements and Season. For the date 16th 6 2020. So we'll go through about one by one each and every question. Coming to the first question. Name the two motions of the Earth. Name the two motions of the Earth. So what are all the two motions here? We have rotation and revolution. The two motions of the Earth. The two motions of the Earth are, first one is about rotation. Coming to the second one, revolution. Now what is the meaning of motion in the sense? The movement. So the name two movements of the Earth, or name the two motions of the Earth. The first one is about rotation and the second one is about revolution. Is it clear, children? So we are moving to the second question now. What is rotation? As just now we discussed that the two motions are about rotation and revolution. First one is about rotation. What is mean by rotation? The rotation here in the sense that rotate in the sense on its own axis by basing upon it, so simply in an orbital manner. So the Earth rotates on its own axis, like a top. If we take about the top here, we have a needle here in the same base. The top rotates on its own axis. Here the axis point is about the needle. In the same pattern, here the Earth doesn't have any type of the needles. It rotates on its own axis in an orbit. Is called rotation. Clear, children? So that rotates on its own axis in an orbit is called rotation. Coming to the third question. What is revolution? Revolution in the sense, what is the meaning of revolution here? That as just now we discussed that rotates on its own axis. At the same time, that revolves around the sun. So, for example, this is the sun. Here, each and every planet is revolving throughout the sun. As the Earth. Imagine the movement of the Earth has been taken part here. As the Earth revolving around the sun is called as revolution. Is it clear, children? The revolution, the movement of the Earth revolves around the sun. The movement of the Earth revolves around the sun is called as revolution or revolution. Is it clear, children? The movement of the earth revolves around the sun is called as revolution. Next one. Come moving to the third question here. Sorry, it's the fourth question. Coming to the fourth question. What time does the earth take to complete one revolution? As just now we discussed about the revolution, in the sense the earth moves around the sun. So it takes about, how much time it takes? 365 days, 6 hours of time. 365 days, 6 hours of time to complete one revolution. It takes 365 days, 6 hours to complete one revolution. Is it clear, children? We are moving to the next question now. What time does the earth take to complete one rotation? Next question is about what time does earth takes to complete one rotation? Before going to the answer, just we will discuss about how the days and nights are formed because of the movement of the earth, rotation of the earth. So completely, as we are going to approximate calculation is about 24 hours. But actually it is about 23 hours for complete rotation, children. For complete rotation, it takes about 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. The complete time for the earth for the completion of one rotation is about 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Is it clear, Nana? We are moving to the next one, sixth question. Coming to the sixth question. What is an angle of inclination of the earth axis? Angle of inclination of Earth's axis with its orbital plane. What is the meaning of inclination here? A slant position. The slant position has been taken exactly at 66 degree longitudes. So 66 degree, the angle of inclination is about 66 degree longitude. Is that clear, children, all of you? And we are moving to the last question. Seventh question. What happens if Earth's axis doesn't tilt. Now coming to the answer. So, first of all, we'll know about the word tilt. What is the meaning of a tilting position here? Tilt in the sense a slant, not in a straight pattern, in a slant direction. We call it as a tilt position. As we all know that rotation has been taken throughout the day and revolution has been taken throughout the year, throughout the sun, around the sun, in a tilted pattern, in a slant position, in a tilted pattern. Here, if you observe clearly, just imagine that this is the model of the globe or the earth. A complete northern part is about complete northern, and this one is about the south, and here sun. Complete northern part receive about the sunlight, whereas the southern part is about less. In the sense, here we can say about cool climate or winter season is going to be cool climate, and here is about more climate or summer. Just imagine. Because of the movement of the earth, what happens? The northern part will be moving towards the south and the southern part will be moving towards the north. In the sense, a regular change of the seasons are going to be taken part. If the earth doesn't have any tilting position or it is in a straight direction, what happens then? If the earth is in straight direction, what happens? And here is about the sun. A complete half of the part will be dark area and another half of the part will be lightening area. So there will be no occurring of seasons. No seasons are going to be formed here. So here just imagine what happens when the earth rotation is there, but it is not in a tilting position. So completely to the western side, sunlight will be there, whereas to the eastern part completely darkness is going to be taken part, and no formation or no occurring of the seasons are to be taken here. Is it clear, children? Thank you.